A truck turned into alien spaceship in a Scorpion style. Two agents fighting with each other inside office. A car turned into a dragon.
Kung Fu fight between an orange cat and a man. A girl turns into a dragon. A cartoon playing with a buffalo in the real world. The AI Slopera is finally over because Seedance 2.0 is now live on Higgsfield, the model that absolutely disrupted the world with its capability and quality. Just go to higgsfield.ai and open Seedance 2. Here upload the reference media, your structure prompt and hit generate. The most advanced result is ready, but due to heavy demand the access is very limited. Also you can get up to 70% off as it's Higgsfield first anniversary.